treat yourself to a test drive in the 2014 Jeep Wrangler. It features a standard transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a leather steering wheel, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as integrated rollover protection, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 125-point inspection. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.